Hello YouTube! In this video we are replacing the cabin filter on a Mitsubishi Colt. Let's get started. The cabin filter is located under the glove box area. You will see a black plastic cover protecting the filter. To remove the cover, use a flathead screwdriver. Insert it into the slot on the filter cover clip and gently apply leverage to release the clip while pulling the cover downward. Be careful not to use too much force as the clip is quite fragile. Once the cover is off, pull out the old dirty filter. Now get your new cabin filter ready. Pay close attention to the airflow direction indicator on the filter. It needs to face the middle of the car when you insert it. Slide the new filter into place and snap the cover back on. And that's it, you're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY car maintenance tips. See you in the next video. Bye.